If your VW ID.4 is failing to connect to Apple CarPlay, these simple steps will get you back on the road in minutes. Statistics show that 80% of infotainment connectivity issues are software glitches that don't require a trip to the dealer. Before we dive into settings, let's look at the most common culprits for a dropped connection. Start by toggling your Bluetooth, swapping your USB cable, or completely forgetting the device from both the car and your phone. Check for pending iOS updates and ensure Siri is enabled, as CarPlay relies on those permissions to function correctly. You can force a hard reset of the infotainment system by holding the power button until the VW logo reappears on the display. Try these home resets first, but if the unit remains unresponsive, it may indicate a deeper control module fault requiring professional service. Most users find that a simple cable swap solves the majority of connection drops in the ID.4. If you're still stuck, dive into the vehicle settings to ensure CarPlay is toggled on, or perform a full factory reset of the unit. Keep a high-quality MFI-certified cable in your glove box, as cheap cables are the #1 cause of intermittent CarPlay connections. Remember, software is temporary, but a stable connection is the key to a stress-free drive. If these steps helped, hit that subscribe button for more ID.4 troubleshooting tips, and stay safe out there.